Welcome to Some Things Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make spicy veg crepe, which is also a paratha, and it is absolutely easy to make and absolutely delicious. And guys, before we start with this process, I want to introduce you to my new channel, which is At Home with Alpa in Hindi, where I'll be putting up recipes and other videos on weekly basis. So please do visit my new channel At Home with Alpa in Hindi and do subscribe and do let me know what you think about this new channel. And now let's proceed with this recipe. So here guys, I've taken a big bowl in which we are going to add all the ingredients, starting with half cup of wheat flour, followed by half cup of all-purpose flour, which is maida, followed by 2 tablespoons of chopped onions. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of grated carrots, 1/4 cup of chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of green capsicum, followed by 1 tablespoon of chili flakes and 1 tablespoon of cilantro, which is dhania. Let's also add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, along with half teaspoon of salt, or you can add salt as per your taste. 1/4 cup of grated cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese. You can use whatever you have in your house. And 300 ml of milk. And now we are going to mix everything in. Adding milk gives such a nice soft texture to this paratha or crepe. You won't believe it. It is super soft and super nice. So once everything is nicely mixed in, let's take a griddle and let's add 1 teaspoon of oil on it. And using a brush, let's just make sure that this oil is nicely spread evenly on the surface of the griddle. And now let's add about 1.5 big ladle full of this batter mix on top of the hot griddle. And try to give it a round shape. Even if you can't, it's okay. Here I've given it a anda shape. I was meaning to give it a round shape, but it turned out to be anda shape. That's okay. And then let's cook it till the time the bottom side becomes nice and golden in color. It should take about minute and a half. And then let's turn it upside down and let's cook it for the next 1.5 minutes. And now it's time for us to remove our crepe or paratha onto our plate, and let's serve it while it's hot with some ketchup or with some chutney. And guys, here I've made 3 crepe rolls, and I'm sure that you are going to try this today itself because it's so easy and it is so delicious. And do let me know what you think about this recipe, guys. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. And if you like this recipe, you're definitely going to like these recipes, so don't forget to click on them. And I will see you very soon. And also guys, please do visit my new Hindi channel. That is one way you can support me, and don't forget to subscribe there as well and show your love and support to that channel of mine as well. Okay, take care. Bye bye.